Hey guys, how you doing? We're on here with Tech Tips to Go. Just a little news flash update or an update. I haven't done an update on Vechain in a while. Vechain being one of my favorite coins, one of my favorite altcoins. But anyways, before I get into Vechain, I just wanted to give you an update. I did do a video a couple of weeks ago, or maybe about a week ago. But so we all know the coronavirus is kind of weighing down the stock markets and probably some of the crypto markets, crypto coins. But anyways, I wanted to make this quick video, a little update on one of the stocks that I'm following, which is AIM Immunotech. I did a video on this before, but I just wanted to do a brief summary. AIM Immunotech, I did invest into this, so it's not financial advice, but basically what AIM Immunotech did is they filed a patent for Ampligen, which had 100%. Ampligen is a drug that was used to help with the SARS. They did testing on animals, and I think Ampligen was one of the main drugs that combated or fought the SARS cure, which is the sister of the COVID-19. So if you look at AIM Immunotech, basically in a 1 month period, or I would say a 5-day period, from February 24th, 26th, it went from $1, it tripled. So some news on AIM Immunotech. AIM Immunotech partners with China Go Abroad for COVID-19 drug. AIM Immunotech is a immunopharma company focused on the research and development of therapeutics for immune disease orders. Some other news on the Alpha Stock News, basically what they were saying, or tweets. I got into Alpha Stock News. They basically said AIM stays strong, bulls. AIM is way ahead of so Innova is another pharmaceutical biochem company that's working on the COVID-19 vaccine. But basically what it says is AIM is way ahead of in clinical trials. All we need is the FDA to fast track for human trials. Congress had already approved $7.5 billion to combat COVID-19, where part of it is to fund drug therapy. So basically the article, I'm going to leave a link in the description, but basically they're just saying that while is planning on initiating human trials by April, AIM Immunotech is far ahead as far as data surrounding its Ampligen product. Basically, in my other video, I just showed how AIM Immunotech, they filed a patent for 3 patents for the Ampligen product, and they already have 10,000 vials available for Ampligen, but it just goes more. There's a lot of articles on Immunotech, the funding, etc. You can check it out. I'll leave the links below. But let's get into what's going on with Vechain. So, in terms of what's happening with Vechain, there's some news from the Crypto News Flash that Vechain is 11 times faster than Ethereum mainnet update. So basically, they're just saying, according to the current data, Vechain can process 11 times more transactions per second than Ethereum. So I found this article pretty interesting, and the mainnet block was from the Twitter user Jake.com, and he was just analyzing the mainnet block. It did on the mainnet block. It did 5.2 million, which is about 165 transactions or TPS transactions per block, and about 1,600 clauses could be processed. And that basically sums out. It's 11 times faster per second than Ethereum. So that's good news for Vechain. Go Vechain. So, like I mentioned, I was wondering what was going on with Vechain. I bought some more Vechain yesterday, some more VET, and it was sitting around. I think I got in around 5, 6, and then last night before I went to bed, it came up probably around 0.006. I was wondering what was going on, so I took a look at the Reddit forums, Twitter forums, and this is where, I saw the information of, 3.1 coming in, and then going right to Binance and the hot wallet. So my question is, what's going on here? Is that good news? Is that bad news? I know that the Binance AMA, Ask Me Anything, is coming up. So, maybe we're seeing something positive, maybe it's negative, but why would you dump your 3.1 out going in and then going out into the Binance? So I'm curious to see what's going to be happening on Binance, and I kind of looked at the blocktivity info for for Vechain, and we're still in the top 20. Blocktivity.info. I'll leave a link there if you guys are new investors into blockchain, but this is the blockchain activity, the matrix, and basically we're still in the top 20. And then also when we look at the coin market cap, we are sitting around, I think it was 30. Yeah, we're at spot 30. So this fluctuates. Anyways, that was just my little rant, update, news, what's going on with Vechain. Let's hope for some more positive news. I'm really curious to see, this 3.1 million, how it affected it. Did they hear some news? Was it good news? Was it bad news? Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys know anything else. I've been kind of monitoring the Twitter forums, the Reddit forums, any other news, but that's all I could kind of figure out and learn or find out what's going on. Alright, and one last piece of news for Vechain, or good news for Vechain. Well, it did mention who they're working with, but one good piece of news is this came out yesterday, March 3rd, MENA FN, and basically what it says is that the blockchain in agriculture market to reach USD 489 million by 2026. So basically, let me recap some of this up for you. Basically, it's just saying that currently the agriculture market is valued at 52 million, or it was last year or 2 years ago, 52 million in 2018. And that is expected to reach 489 million by year 2026. So this just shows you, like right here, it says the compound annual growth rate of 45%. So the world faces huge challenges when it comes to providing food for the ever-growing population, specifically challenges from climate change, floods, drought, and one thing that they did mention, so this is just more, I look at this as a great adoption awareness and then becomes adoption, because as more farmers, food industry, good news for Vechain with the blockchain, because it just shows here within the agriculture sector and its related products, this technology can be sued to promote the safety and prevention of food fraud and verify the origins of authenticity of farm products and agriculture inputs. So this is great, and I'm going to leave a link to this below, but you can see that on the blockchain, many organizations such as Walmart, Nestle, Switzerland have started piloting projects with this technology. So I know a lot of people who are looking at, I've seen some bad comments about Vechain. I think it's just some of the hodlers that are just too impatient, right? This stuff isn't going to come overnight. It's not going to come next year. I don't think we're going to see a moon increase. People are saying, we're going to see up to $75, but if realistically, if you look at the market cap, that means Bitcoin would have to be, numerous amounts until Vechain gets to $75. Just have to be realistic with it. But anyways, this is a great article. It's great for Vechain because they talk about food, identifying, protecting, and also verifying. And it also says, like, we're in North America. Most of my subscribers are users, my whole 10 subscribers, but a lot of the news out here, in the fastest growing market even shows, right? I think when people talk about Walmart, I was reading one of the Reddit forums and they were saying, well, this is just, Walmart in North America is not even using this. And no one even said that Walmart in the US or North America is using it. It's all been Walmart China. And it even says in this article, the Asia Pacific region is the fastest growing region in the blockchain, in the agriculture and food supply chain market. So it's just a matter of time. Guys, hold on. Vechain adopters, just wait out the game. Not financial advice, but it's being heavily used in Asia Pacific. For sure it's going to trickle down to North America and other European markets. It's already big in Europe and in Asia, but North America, sure, it's going to come. Especially with the strong partnership with DNVGL, I have no doubt that it's going to hit North America, and just wait it out. We're going to see Vechain. I'm a strong believer. But anyways, over here, key participants, Vechain China, right? We're going to see it grow. Little patience, even here, in 2026, compound annual growth rate, 45%. Food for thought, guys. Check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.